Page 25. How would you show 45 hundredths using decimals? Well, I know that hundredths is 2 places. So I would use my leader, my decimal, with 2 places. 45 hundredths. How would you show 61 thousandths? That's 3 places, using decimals. So my leader, my decimal, and I need 3 places. You got to drop that 61 out here and put a 0 in the tenths place. In the number 0.1457, what numeral is in the tenths place? Tenths is the first one past the decimal. So the number in that place is the 1. In the number 0.6257, what numeral is in the hundredths place? That's 2 places. So the answer is the 2. Which of the following answers places the decimals in order from smallest value to largest? So here are the decimals that we have to work with. And I think I'm going to do it right here instead of having to copy it. We have, I'm not saying this is the right order. I'm just saying that these are the numbers that we have to work with. And they want us to start with the smallest one. So I'm going to compare the whole number place, and that doesn't help me. Then I will compare this place. Now, we know that those zeros are smaller than those 4s. So one of these two has to be the smallest. And 4 is smaller than 42. So this one is going to be the smallest of the 4. Then this one would be second, because 42 is smaller than 420 or 402. Then we go to the next place, which is the hundredths place. It's kind of like putting numbers in alphabetical order. You have to go on to the next place, but we only have these 2 still in play. Which of those is smaller? This would be the third one, and this would be the largest one. So the answer I'm looking for is 4 thousandths, then 42 thousandths, then 402 thousandths, and then 420 thousandths. So we're looking for this order. And I know it's not this one, and it's not this one. 42, 402, it's B. (1.2) plus 3. Put your 0 in there if you need to. It's better to put it in there than to miss the problem. We're adding, so we get 2 and 4. I'm liking 4 and 2 tenths. 0.4 plus 0.5, we're adding. It's going to be 0.9 or 9 tenths. 0.7, 0.5, we're adding. It's going to be 12, carry 1, 1 2/10. 35 hundredths plus 3/10. I encourage you to use the 0 if you need it. 65 hundredths. 5 59 hundredths. 3 33 hundredths. Is 8 92 hundredths. 1 2/10 minus 1/10 is 1 1/10. 6 6/10 minus 6/10 is 6.0, or just plain 6. That could be, but they chose to use the 0. 3 minus 1.95. I strongly advise you to put in your zeros here, because you have to borrow across them. So I'm going to take one of those, give it to this one, then borrow one of those to give to this one. 10 minus 5, 9 minus 9, and 2 minus 1 is 1 5 hundredths. 77.45 minus 11.66. Get that one first. Bottom number's bigger, better borrow. That would be 9, 7, 5, and 6. And then I have to subtract 1.3333. You cannot just drop those 3's. That's why it's important to be in the habit of doing your zeros. So 8 gives to this one. Take one of those and give to this one, and then you are ready to subtract. And they were nice to us. They didn't make us subtract again. So 64 and 4,567 10,000ths. If you're not in the habit of putting those zeros in, this one may get you.